In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom CRM properties on HubSpot. Whether you're looking to tailor your CRM to better suit your business needs or simply streamline data management, setting up personalized properties can be a real game changer. Stick around and I'll show you just how easy and effective it can be. Let's start by navigating to the HubSpot website. This is the very first step in our process. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you'll be prompted with several options to access your account. Next, to simplify things, especially if you already use Google services, select Sign in with Google. This is a handy feature for those who prefer a seamless login experience using their Gmail or Google Workspace accounts. Choose the appropriate Google account you want to associate with HubSpot, and you're good to go. Once you're logged into your HubSpot dashboard, the next step is to access your profile. You can do this by following the link to the property settings page. This redirect will take you directly where you need to be, cutting out any of the initial guesswork. Now, you'll want to look for the option labeled Profile and Preferences. Click on this to reveal a menu of various personal settings. From there, focus your attention on the option labeled Properties. Clicking on this will lead you to the area where all your current CRM properties are displayed and where you'll create new ones. With the Properties panel open, it's time to create a new property. You'll find the Create Property button prominently displayed. Clicking it will start the customization process. Here you'll need to specify a label for your new property. This label serves as a name or identifier you'll use going forward, so choose something clear and descriptive. As you proceed, the next decision involves selecting a field type from the left panel. The field type you choose should correspond to the kind of data you'll be storing, whether it's a simple text field, a date field, or any other option that HubSpot offers. Carefully consider what will best suit your needs. After selecting, make your choice from the available field types. Each option provides a unique way of sorting and organizing data, offering you an unprecedented level of control over your CRM. Finally, when you're satisfied with your property label and field type, look for the Create button. Clicking on this completes the process, officially adding your custom property to your HubSpot CRM. This newly created property will now be available for use, allowing you to collect and manage data in a way that best supports your operations. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating custom CRM properties in HubSpot. It's a straightforward process that can really enhance how you interact with your customer data. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.